2023 best pressed powder discoveries. Let's go. So I've got drugstore and high end. Let's start with the high end. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Brightening Flawless Finish Complexion Perfecting Eye and Face Micro Powder. That's a long name. I walked by this plenty of times because it's white and I knew it'd be translucent on the skin, but I already have the skin tone airbrush pressed powder, so I figured, what do I need this for? This is a very nice brightening powder. It also blurs texture and gives a very smooth airbrushed finish. And actually underneath the eyes is the perfect place to apply it because it just instantly brightened that area. Even though it looks white, it's not going to translate as white on the skin. Just gives the softest, prettiest brightening effect, mattifies the skin, sets the makeup. So beautiful. Okay, let's talk about drugstore. ColourPop Pretty Fresh Pressed Face Powder. The shade I have is Light 6. This is a very light, silky powder. This does come in more like skin tone shades. I have the Light 6, as I mentioned, and this too mattifies the skin, gives a very poreless finish. It doesn't brighten quite the same as that Charlotte Tilbury does, but you could always buy a lighter shade in this to get that same brightening effect. It's very lightweight, also very silky, very mattifying. So if you are someone that doesn't like a matte look, I would skip this one. But if you like a really porcelain doll kind of matte poreless finish, this one is really good. So those are my top 2023 pressed powder favorite discoveries of the year.